Welcome children. Today I will tell you about some technical points to do the questions in the different exercises in the mathematics. First of all, you come to the banking. In the banking, mainly there are two formulas. Interest equal to P multiply N under bracket N plus 1 divided by 2 multiply 12 multiply R by 100, and second, matured amount, that is equal to total deposited amount plus interest. See children, interest equal to P into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12. This is your one of the formulas to calculate the interest, and the symbols are indicating P for the monthly installment. Monthly installment means whatever the money is deposited by the depositor per month, that is called monthly installment. N is the time period in months. If the time period is given to you in the years, convert into the months, and that is the symbolically it is the value of the N. R is the rate percent. So this is the formula to calculate the interest. Second is the matured amount. Matured amount is the total amount received by the depositor at the after completion of the time period. That is called matured amount. This is equal to total deposited amount plus interest. Total deposited amount means monthly installment, multiply number of months up to which the depositor has been deposited the money. If the monthly installment rate rupees P and number of months equal to N, then total deposited amount will be P multiply N plus interest. Interest using this formula calculated values. Now you come to the point. There will be not complicated question in this exercise. So first of all, you go through the questions minutely, analyze the question, write down the given information, use this formula to calculate the interest, substitute the value and find out the solution. Then you come to the next point. Use the formula to calculate the matured amount P into N plus I, and finally you will come to the conclusion and you will get your answer. Whatever the questions are given, the questions will be either to find out the monthly installment or to number of months or rate percent or matured value or interest. These are the types of the questions which will be given to you in this exercise. Whatever you want to find out, first of all analyze the question, go through the questions minutely, write down the given values, use the formula, substitute the value, simplify it, again you use the second formula, and whatever you have to find out, certainly you will get your answer. Now children, you come to the next exercise, that is linear inequation. In linear inequation, equation will be given to you. You see one of the questions, minus 2 plus 10x. Suppose minus 2 plus 10x. This is one of the questions from the exercise. Equal to less than 3x plus 10, equal to less than 3x plus 10, less than 24 plus 10x, less than 24 plus 10x. Suppose this is a linear inequation given to you. Generally, in the given question, two unequal to sign will be given to you. Now you follow the process. Whatever the equations are given to you, how will you proceed to do the question? First of all, you understand children that if two unequal to sign, like this is one unequal to sign, this is another unequal to sign. In a question, if two unequal to sign given to you, then what will you do? It means you have to find out the value of the variable number in the particular question. Two values, one will be the lower limit and another value will be the upper limit. Now the process to simplify the equation, whatever the equations are given to you, first of all you separate the group, you write down all the terms before this sign, first unequal to sign. If suppose that this is your first unequal to sign in the question and this is second unequal to sign in the question, so for the separation of the group in the given equation, you first of all you write down all the terms of the equation before first unequal to sign and before second unequal to sign. Write down. Then what will you do? You come into the process to simplify the equation. This is the process. You write down all the right terms in one side or isolate the like terms in one side and constant terms of the integers in another side. This is the method to simplify the equation and find out the value of the x, that is the value of the variable number. For the second value of the variable number, you write down all the terms in the given equation after first unequal to sign like this one, and after second unequal to sign or this unequal to sign, and follow the same process to simplify the equation. Isolate the like terms or the variable terms in one side, constant terms in the another side. Then you make x as a subject or the variable number as a subject, that is the value of the variable number. After getting the solution of the variable number, you will have to represent it according to condition of the question. Either it will be given x belongs to natural number, whole number, or suppose that real number. So according to given condition, you will have to represent the solution of the question on the number line. Draw the number line, represent the solution on the number line. Now children, you come to the next exercise, that is quadratic equation. In the quadratic equation, different types of the questions will be given to you. First of all, you see that these are the quadratic equations. Suppose x square first minus 4x, x square minus 4x minus 12, minus 12 that is equal to 0. Second equation, these are the questions from the exercise. 2x square minus 6x plus 3, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Third equation, 3x square minus 4x plus 3, 3x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now you see children, these are the types of the equation in the quadratic equation. Such type of the equations you have already been done. That is the revision exercise in the quadratic equation. You have to factorize it, splitting the middle term, which you have already been done in the standard 8 and 9. Splitting the middle term, factorize it. Now you come to the main questions which you have to do, which will be given in the examination. This is your quadratic equation using formula. This is a division exercise. Splitting the middle term, factorize the equation. You have already been done in standard 8 and 9. So such type of some questions you have to do in this quadratic equation, but mainly you have to do using the formula, like 2x square minus 6x plus 3. Using the formula means, suppose that this is the general equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the formula to find out the roots of the equation or to find out the value of the variable numbers. Once if you are using, which have already been discussed in the previous classes, once you are using the positive sign next to the negative sign, it means you will get minus b plus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, and next minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Once positive sign, next negative sign. You will get two values of x, and these two values are known as roots of the equation. So what will you do? When quadratic equations are given to you, whatever the equations are given to you, you come into the process, use the formula method. First of all, you to write down the value of let a equal to b equal to c equal to abc means with respect to the general equation, a means coefficient of x square will be the value of a. Coefficient of x will be the value of b, and the last term will be the value of c. So assuming the value of ABC, use this formula, substitute the value, simplify it, and you will get the solution of the variable number. You will get two solutions of the variable numbers, and that is known as roots of the equation. Suppose that if you are not getting answer of the question, you recheck your simplification. Substitution and formula. These are the three places which you will have to check if you don't get answer of the question. Values like ABC in the formula, using the formula, and substitution, and then simplification. Whatever the questions are given to you, you can, if you are doing all the processes right, correct substitution, correct simplification, then certainly you will get the answer of the question. In the another type of the question related to the discriminant, b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant, and symbolically this is indicated by capital D. So in this question, questions will be given to you like this question. To calculate the value of the variable number like p in the quadratic equation, when the condition will be given to you, like suppose that if the condition is given to you, if the roots of the equations are real and equal, it means the value of b square minus 4ac means d will be equal to 0. If real and unequal, then the value of d will be greater than 0. If less than 0, it means the value of the variable number will be imaginary, which you will have not to do in this class. So it will be given, condition will be given in the question that the roots of the equation are real and equal, such type of the equation. Then find out the value of p. Then what will you do? Again you will find out the value of ABC. Following this process, coefficient of x square will be the value of a. Coefficient of x, in this question coefficient of x is minus 4, mind it. And this is the value of c. Calculate the value. You make the equation like b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Then you will get the another equation. And then b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You will get the value of x. And then what will you do? Like in this question, find out the value of b. So here a equal to p, b equal to minus 4, and c equal to 3 plus 3. Using this formula, b square, if it is given that the roots of the given equation is real and equal, it means the value of d will be 0. Substituting the value b square minus 4ac equal to 0, substitute the value, simplify it, and you will get the value of p. Children, another type of the question will be given to you. 2, 3, 4 questions are given in the examination, board examination also. This is a big exercise. So you have to do this exercise minutely. that suppose that equation is given to you. Now I am telling you x square minus 5x minus 10. Suppose this is the equation, x square minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0, and question is given to you that find out the value of the variable number up to 2 places decimal. Then what will you do? You will have to follow the same process. Let a equal to, b equal to, and c equal to. In this question, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 10. In this question, while the condition is given to you, find out the value of the variable number up to 2 places decimal. You mind it that the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, you will not get the value of b square minus 4ac as a perfect square. It will come into the decimal, and this is why you have to find out the value of b or b square minus 4ac into the decimal. You have to calculate the square root of b square minus 4ac into decimal, like x equal to minus b plus minus root under d whole divided by 2a. You have to follow the same formula to solve that using the formula also, but in this case the value of d will be not a perfect square, and this is why you have to find out the square root of the d up to 3 places of decimal, and then finally you have to do it up to 2 places of the decimal. So mind it, if the question is raising to you that find out the value of this quadratic equation, roots of this quadratic equation up to 2 places of the decimal, then you have to calculate the square root of d up to 3 places. Once you will use positive sign, next you will use negative sign, you will have to simplify it, and then finally you will have to write down the answer. You have to round off, and then you will write down the